May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. So may I have a seat?
Please
Thank you, sir.
introduce yourself.
So my name is Jigmeet Singh. I am 18-year-old and I am from Bathinda, Punjab, sir. So I have completed my 10th and 12th from Punjab and I got 88% marks in my 10th. And I
12th
got
pass out year.
Sir, 2025.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to join Merchant Navy?
So I want to join Merchant Navy because where I came from, there is not too many people know about Merchant Navy, and I want to do something else and different. And so Merchant Navy also give us an opportunity to work with those people who came from different part of world and explore their culture.
What do you know about multicultural environment?
So multicultural environment is an environment where people from different culture at a same place.
Okay. Do you have some relatives whose works in Merchant Navy?
Yes, sir. One of my relative, he's also working in a merchant navy. So he's in a merchant navy for last 4 years, and recently he was become a bosun.
Are you inspired by him?
Yes, sir. He inspired me to join merchant navy.
Okay. What are your strengths and weaknesses?
हेलो प्यारे बच्चों, जय हिंद, जय भारत, जय माता दी। अगर आप जीपी रेटिंग की खुद से तैयारी करना चाहते हैं तो मर्चेंट नेवी स्टार्ट ऐप अभी के अभी डाउनलोड कीजिए, क्योंकि ये आपको एजेंट से बचाएगा और सही कॉलेज में पहुंचाएगा। अगर आप घर पे रह के तैयारी करना चाहते हैं, खुद से करना चाहते हैं, तो ये हमारी बुक है जीपी रेटिंग की। आप ये किताब बाय कर सकते हैं mypustak.com से, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में। और अगर आपको लगता है कम्युनिकेशन स्किल पे काम करना है, TS रहमान, नुसी गोवा, ग्रेट ईस्टर्न, 7 जैसे टॉप नॉच कॉलेजेस में जाना है और खुद से नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो SMBD मरीन अकेडमी ऑफलाइन कोचिंग में आइए। यहाँ से बहुत सारे अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स रहे, आपका भी आ सकता है। मॉक टेस्ट से लेकर लगातार पढ़ाई बैंड बजा देते हैं, लेकिन रिजल्ट आता है। टेक केयर, बाय।
So I am quick to adapt myself in every situation. I am a quick learner and I am always eager to learn. So I am physically fit and I am a sportsman.
How do you keep yourself fit?
So by doing physical activities and yoga, etc. Sir.
Why physical fitness is important in Merchant Navy?
Because the work which is required in GP rating, it's mainly due to strength, and that's why the physical fitness is important on ship.
So in Merchant Navy, you have to stay away from your family for longer period of time.
Yes, sir.
6 to 9 months.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for this?
Yes, sir. I'm ready for the long days from away from family.
Have you ever stayed away from your family for
Yes,
the
sir.
extended period?
Yes, sir. In my academics, I lived away from my family.
Okay. Now I'm going to give you a piece of newspaper article. So you need to read it. This one. UPI.
UPI, Unified Payment Interface, the world's largest real-time payment system. UPI crossed 20 billion monthly transaction in August. While the scale-up of platform was extremely rapid, the support system for UPI was first laid with the launch of prepaid Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana PMJDY in 2014, which was alongside the aggressive rollout of Aadhaar. These two developments could with the extensive rollout of mobile telephone.
Stop. The article that you have just read is related to which thing?
So it is related to UPI, which is unified payment in
Which applications are there which supports this?
so like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, etc.
Okay. There is a word called transaction.
Yes, sir.
What does that mean?
So to pay anyone from our bank account.
Can you frame a sentence out of it?
So I'll transact my I'll transact. Sorry, sir. I'll transact a money to another person.
Transaction, I say.
Yes, sir.
Make a sentence with the word transaction.
So today, too many people transaction. The transaction is used for transfer of money from one person to another person.
Demonetization.
Sorry, sir.
Demonetization.
Sorry, sir. I don't.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, beta. What's your name?
Ma'am, my name is Jigmeet Singh.
Jagmeet.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your location?
Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ से हो?
Ma'am, I am from Bathinda, Punjab.
Bhatinda. Okay. What's your father's profession?
Ma'am, my father was a farmer. He's no more now.
What happened? So sorry.
Ma'am, due to the kidney failure.
कब हुआ ये?
Ma'am, in 2023.
23. So who's going to take care of your family?
Ma'am, my mother is also a tailor, and my brother is also working on a human test laboratory. By working together, he both handling my family's condition.
So have you ever been worked previously?
Yes, ma'am. I also work. I also have 4 year work experience at a medical store.
What's your highest qualification?
Ma'am, at 12th.
12th. Background?
Ma'am, with science background, PCB.
PCB.
Yes, ma'am.
So don't you think that ki PCB background is not much that usage regarding in merchant navy?
Ma'am, I have a knowledge which is required in a merchant navy.
So what you actually did work over there? What's how you what you do for earning?
When, ma'am?
Previously you said that na it's 4 years of earning.
Yes, ma'am.
What you did?
Ma'am, I was working on a medical store. I was helping the doctor, the owner of medical store.
So it's entirely a different profession na which
Yes,
you
ma'am.
want to join right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Already you have basic knowledge regarding with the bio part. It's
Yes,
medical shops and also don't you think that if you are going to give your concentration in this path only it's
But
fruitful
ma'am,
for
I
you?
have to earn at an early age to support my family because my family need me. That's why, sir, I joined merchant navy, and so merchant navy is also only a profession which required earning at an early age.
So why T.S. Rahman?
Because ma'am, T.S. Rahman is one of the oldest college in India, and the placement record of T.S. Rahman is good. That's why I choose T.S. Rahman.
Okay, Jagmeet, just tell me one situation. If your senior shouts at you in front of everyone for a small mistake, what you will do?
So, ma'am, I will improve myself and and tell him that give me feedback and that what kind of mistake I do, and I will improve myself.
Okay, another one, huh?
Yes.
You and your team have been assigned to clean the deck,
Yes, ma'am.
but one member is lazy and not working. What will you do?
Ma'am, firstly, I will tell him that please work. If he will not working, and sir, ma'am, I will tell my senior.
Tell your senior.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What's your favorite subject?
Ma'am, my favorite subject is English.
English.
Yes, ma'am.
Why is this English important?
Yes, ma'am.
And-
English is most important subject and language important on ship because, ma'am, there is a multination. The global language is English, so that's why we have to talk in English.
Where you see yourself in communication?
Ma'am, I will see myself at a good
Out of 10, what marks you want to grade?
7 to 8.
Okay, just tell me if a person can do work in X days.
Yes, ma'am.
I am repeating my question. If a person can do a work in X days, then work done in 1 day.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
If a person can do a work in X days, then work done in 1 day. How you are going to calculate a specific 1 day?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, one more point. When ship enters in water,
Yes,
the weight of a ship, if the weight of a ship is equals to Bayon's force,
Yes, ma'am.
the ship floats or sink.
Ma'am, ship floats.
And when the ship sinks,
Ma'am, when the weight of ship is high than Bayon's force.
okay,
Bayon's force is low.
recently regarding with the cricket match,
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Indian cricket team,
Yes, ma'am.
women Indian cricket
ma'am.
team, who is actually the captain
Ma'am, Harmanpreet Kaur.
and vice captain?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, first tribal woman president of India.
Ma'am, Pratibha Bai Patel.
Tribal, who is the current woman president of India?
Women president, ma'am.
Yes. Who is the current president of India?
Ma'am, C.P. Radhakrishnan.
Sorry?
C.P. Radhakrishnan.
She is the current president of India. Okay. A rope is 5 meter long.
Yes, ma'am.
I am repeating. A rope is 5 meter long. How many centimeters is that?
5 meter long, ma'am. And there is a 500 centimeters.
Okay. Define buoyancy.
Ma'am, buoyancy is a vertically upward force. It is a upsurge force. It is equal to the weight of fluid displaced by an object.
One last question, Jagmeet.
ma'am.
What do you mean by friendship and how it's important for you?
Ma'am, friendship is very important for every person because, ma'am, a true friend with we can express our emotion with him.
Okay, your friend made a mistake and he requests you not to tell anyone. What you will do?
Ma'am, if it is a small mistake, we will.
It's regarding with the ship safety.
Ma'am, if it is regarding with the ship safety, then I will secure it and I will told my senior.
Okay, why we hire you?
Because, ma'am, I am physically fit and I always follow rule. Keep safety first, and ma'am, I am also
Why safety is important on ship?
Ma'am, safety is important on ship because the safety is one of most important thing with on ship. All the crew members have.
What do you mean by man overboard?
And when anyone got anyone in a ocean, ma'am, or a sea, or in a sea or water.
Called man overboard.
Yes, ma'am. When
Which side you want to join?
ma'am, I prefer both side, but I want to join deck side
Why?
because ma'am, I have some basic knowledge about navigational equipment.
Okay.
Why merchant navy?
So I want to join merchant navy because where I came from, there is not too many people know about merchant navy, and I want to do something else and different. And so merchant navy also gave us an opportunity to work with those people who came from different part of world and explore their culture.
Okay. What is nationality?
So nationality is it is a different countries and different nationality, like Indian nationality, American nationality, and different nationalities. Sir.
What is culture?
So culture is a representation of any community.
Difference between horsepower and electrical power.
So horsepower is mainly related to power. Related to power. The unit of power is watt, and so 1 watt is equal to 746 watt. 746 horsepower.
Tell me the horsepower of aeroplane.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the value of horsepower of aeroplane.
So
Aeroplane engine.
Yes, sir. In aeroplane engine, sir, it is one of the biggest engine, and so I don't know the value of the aeroplane engine, but I know the value of I know, sir, about ship's engine, which is related to merchant navy.
What is horsepower?
So horsepower, how strong a engine is.
Okay. What is engine?
So engine is a device which convert heat energy into mechanical energy.
Types of engine?
So there are two types: two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine.
Okay. Define the term stern.
So stern is a part of ship. It is a real part of ship. It houses propeller and rudder.
What is rudder?
So rudder is a flat vertical pole which help us to direct the which help us to give a direction of ship.
Difference between SI unit and CGS unit.
So SI unit is a worldwide unit and CGS unit is a particular unit.
Okay. What is BTU?
Sorry, sir.
What is BTU?
Sorry, sir. I don't know.
Okay. Fuel which is used in ships.
So HFO.
Only HFO.
HFO and sometimes kerosene, diesel.
Kerosene.
Yes,
Are
sir.
you sure?
Diesel, sir.
Diesel.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's all. Your name?
So my name is Jagmeet Singh.
ठीक है जगमीत. आपने इससे पहले इंटरव्यू कभी दिए हो TS रहमान की?
No, sir.
ये फर्स्ट टाइम है?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. फ्लुएंसी ठीक है, ठीक ठाक है. और बोसन कौन है आपके?
So one of my relative.
आपके रिलेटिव हैं.
Yes, sir.
तो आपको पता है बोसन की जॉब्स, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज,
Yes,
ड्यूटीज क्या क्या होते हैं?
Yes, sir.
क्या क्या होते हैं जॉब्स?
So he requires the duties of GP rating on deck side. Yes, sir. Like cleaning, chipping, painting, greasing, lubrication, etc. And sir, cargo hold, loading, unloading, lashing, unlashing, etc.
ठीक है. ओके. तो ये आपके लिए एक विनिंग पॉइंट रहेगा जहाँ पर आपको ये थिंग्स बतानी है. और साथ में जब बोसन अगर उनके बारे में आप बता रहे हो ना, तो आप ये ज़रूर मेंशन कर दो कि उन्होंने आपको एडवांटेजेस भी बताया है और डिसएडवांटेजेस भी बताया है. दोनों आपको दोनों साइड पता है.
Yes, sir.
क्या होता है ना, जब आप बोसन आपने बोला और आप ये बता रहे हो कि आपकी रिलेटिव मर्चेंट नेवी में है, तो रैदर देन बहुत ज़्यादा वो इलाबरेट करने से बेटर आप क्या इलाबरेट करोगे कि उन्होंने क्या क्या कहानियाँ बताई हैं. आपको ये चीज़ें इंटरव्यूअर के सामने रखनी है.
Okay, sir.
जब आप ये थिंग्स उनके सामने रखोगे तो आपके पास अपॉर्चुनिटी है कि आप खुद से बता सकते हो कि बैड थिंग्स मीन्स डिसएडवांटेज क्या है, एडवांटेजेस क्या है। कभी भी अब जब आप बात कर रहे हो आपकी रिलेटिव्स मर्चेंट नेवी में, तो बेटर है आपके रिलेटिव्स ने क्या आपको चैलेंजेस बताया वो मेंशन करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। रेस्ट टेक्निकल नॉलेज ठीक ठाक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, क्लियर। कभी कभी इंटरव्यूअर आपको आपके कोर्स से हटकर डिफरेंट कुछ पूछ लेते हैं, जैसे मैंने आपको पूछा एरोप्लेन, बट आपने उसको अच्छे तरीके से इंजन्स की तरफ लाया, तो ये आप में ये चीज़ें होनी चाहिए, ठीक है। रेस्ट पार्ट इट इज़ गुड, क्लियर।
ट्राइबल प्रेसिडेंट राइट नाउ, द करंट प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया कौन है? सबसे पहली बात। हाँ, दूसरी चीज़, डिवाइड और मल्टीप्लाई का यूसेज क्या है? जब कोई हम एक चीज़ को फाइंड आउट करते हैं डिवाइड होता है, जब बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में फाइंड आउट करते हैं मल्टीप्लाई होता है। वही क्वेश्चन था कि अगर कोई इंसान एक्स डे मतलब एक्स काम कर रहा है एक दिन में, तो एक दिन में कितना कर रहा है, तो क्या करोगे? डिवाइड करोगे। फिर सिचुएशनल बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस जो अभी तक का एक मिला है प्रोबेबिलिटी, उसमें आती हैं जिसमें आपने अच्छा परफॉर्म किया, इट्स नाइस। पर जो करंट है अभी, इंडिया ने विमेन इंडिया का जीती है वो, तो आपको ये वाली बात तो पता होना चाहिए ना बेटा कि कैप्टन और वाइस कैप्टन कौन है, एटलीस्ट। क्लियर विद दिस? तो ये तो बेसिक है आपका। आपका फ्लुएंसी अच्छी है, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छा है, आपका बॉडी पोस्चर अच्छा है, आपका आई कांटेक्ट सबसे अच्छी बात अच्छी है कि 3-3 पैनल मेंबर्स बैठे हुए हैं, तो वो अच्छी बात है। पर ये बेसिक जो करंट अभी तो बिल्कुल, और किसके साथ हुआ था, इंडिया का किसके साथ हुआ है?
विद साउथ अफ्रीकन फाइनल।
ठीक है, तो ये कुछ बेसिक चीज़ें हैं। तो और आपको कम्युनिकेशन के रिगार्डिंग सर बताएंगे, पर रिगार्डिंग विद योर पर्सनैलिटी, रिगार्डिंग विद योर आई कॉन्टैक्ट, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन। क्लियर? बेस्ट विशेस।
जगमीत, आई एग्री विद मैम, जो भी मैम ने कहा वो सब ठीक है, लेकिन जब आप स्टार्टिंग में आप आए एंटर हुए, तो जब आपने इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट किया आपका पेस मुझे लगा कि काफ़ी फास्ट था उस टाइम। तो जब आप इंटरव्यू के लिए आ रहे हो तो आपको जो आपकी जो स्पीच है वो रिलैक्स्ड होनी चाहिए बिल्कुल। मतलब आपको कुछ ज़्यादा भी एक्साइटेड नहीं होना है। मतलब कई बार ही ऐसा होता है कि जो कैंडिडेट होता है उसे पता है कि मेरे को ये भी सवाल आता है, वो भी आता है, ये भी मुझे मालूम है, तो उस चक्कर में, एक्साइटेडनेस के चक्कर में जो हमारा जो फ्लो ऑफ स्पीच है वो ख़राब नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है। बाकी सिटिंग, द वे यू आर सिटिंग इज़ बेस्ट, योर क्लोथिंग, एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन। और मैम ने कहा कि इट्स लाइक आई कॉन्टैक्ट, बट कभी कभी समटाइम्स जब आप सर लास्ट के टाइम जब आप सर से बात कर रहे थे तो आपका जो आई कांटेक्ट है उधर ही था, बस बीच में वो फिर आगे वो आपने ठीक कर दिया, हल्का सा हो रहा, बाकी रेस्ट वाज फाइन। तो जो फ्लो ऑफ स्पीच है उसको मेंटेन रखना है। प्रोनाउंसिएशन कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। न्यूज़पेपर में अब मैं आपको बता दूं, आपसे पूछा था ट्रांजैक्शन,
यस सर।
तो आपने उसकी जगह ट्रांजैक्ट बना दिया आपने उसको, और एक वर्ड था डीमोनेटाइजेशन, वो आपने बोल दिया आई डोंट नो। डीमोनेटाइजेशन एक इट्स अ वेरी बिग थिंग, मतलब सबको अवेयरनेस है कि जब नोटबंदी हुई थी कितनी समस्या हो गई थी, पूरी इकोनॉमी इंडिया की हिल गई थी। तो आपने कहा कि मेरे को ये मालूम नहीं। हर दिन न्यूज़ में 2014 से लेके 20 तक यही चला है न्यूज़ में, डीमोनेटाइजेशन डीमोनेटाइजेशन, नोटबंदी होती है। तो वो आप नहीं बता पाए, तो इस चीज़ का थोड़ा मुझे लगा। रेस्ट वॉज फाइन, ठीक है। और फ्लो ऑफ स्पीच पे ध्यान रखो।